Hello, I'm Vinay and this is Big Data Assignment 1. So in this we're going to make a connection between Eclipse and Cassandra and create tables and row columns. So in the SQL shell I've created a key space called demo and also have created a table called users. Everything from users, Okay, so as we can see, we have one row already. Coming to the Eclipse, the first, as per the tutorials, I've created a project, created a class, and I've imported the packages and drivers and the jar files here for the connection of Cassandra to Eclipse. Now, as per the tutorial, I will be inserting a row, updating the row, and deleting the row. So let's go to insert first. Let's insert a row. Okay, let's run the file. Okay, I'm gonna comment this out. Now I'm gonna update the same. I'm gonna run this as well. Okay, it's updated. Now let's check the same in SQL shell. As we can see, there are two rows updated. Now I am going to delete the row. For deleting the row, I'm gonna uncomment this part and run the same. Okay. Let's see if same has been deleted. Yes, so as we can see, I've deleted the row over here. Going to the second part of the tutorial. In this, we are trying to create new nodes to get rid of single point failure. And in this, we have retry policy code here and the load balancing code here used to balance load across the nodes. And in this also, we're gonna do the same as the first tutorial. I'm gonna insert, delete, and insert, update, and delete particular row. Let's get started with inserting. I'm just gonna uncomment this part of it and I'm gonna run it. Okay, it's been inserted. Okay, now let's update it. Let's update it first to reflect in the SQL shell. I'm gonna update the same. Okay, let's see. Got everything. So as we can see here, I've updated the added row, and now to delete this row, I'll just comment this out first. Now I'll be deleting the row. I'm gonna uncomment this. I'm gonna run the file. Okay, let's see whether that reflected in SQL shell. And it has reflected, and this is the assignment. Thank you very much.